सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।
Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. I'm Ria, and in this evening update, we are taking a closer look at the softening trend in the domestic cotton market following yesterday's trading session. Spot market weakness. We are seeing a noticeable dip in cotton prices across key regions, primarily driven by a fall in buying interest from spinning mills. In Gujarat, the popular Shankar 6 variety in Ahmedabad saw a decline of 100 rupees, now trading between 51,700 and 52,000 rupees per candy. The trend is similar in North India. Spot prices for lint cotton were quoted lower, with rates in Punjab at 5,090 to 5,190 rupees per mond. In Haryana, prices were 4,950 to 5,000 rupees per mond. And in Upper Rajasthan, prices softened to 5,090 to 5,230 rupees per mond. National market arrivals for kapas or raw cotton stood at a total of 93,300 bales across various mandis. Futures and global cues. The futures market presented a mixed picture. On the NCDEX, the April 2026 kapas futures contract remained steady at 1,528 rupees per 20 kilograms. However, the MCX November cotton contract showed a marginal rise, up by 330 rupees to 25,150 rupees. Globally, ICE electronic trading indicated a continuing softening trend in international cotton prices. Key market drivers. So, what is driving this restrained movement in the spot market? 1. CCI's consistent supply. The Cotton Corporation of India, having reduced its selling prices by 500 rupees per candy last week, continues to offload its previous procurement. The CCI has sold nearly 90.45 lakh bales from the 2024-25 season so far. 2. Limited mill purchases. Since mills are easily securing raw material from the CCI, they are limiting their fresh spot cotton purchases. 3. Global versus domestic prices. Traders note that global cotton prices remain significantly weaker than the domestic rates. Government policy and related commodities. In a significant policy update, the central government has extended the zero-duty import window for cotton from September 30th, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. This extension comes even as domestic carryover stock is higher and the industry anticipates an increase in production despite reduced acreage. Finally, let's touch upon the related segments. Cotton wash or refined cotton oil. Despite international strength in edible oils, domestic cotton wash prices were stable to weaker. Prices in Dhule and Akola softened slightly to 1,230 rupees per 10 kilograms, while Amravati held steady at 1,220 rupees. Cottonseed or Binola, weak buying from oil mills led to a slump here, with prices falling by 100 rupees per quintal across Haryana, Rajasthan, and Punjab. Cottonseed oil cake or Kapas Khali. The cattle feed sector's weak demand pressured Kapas Khali prices lower, with Beed, Pimpalgaon, and Balnagar all seeing a dip. That's all for the evening update on the cotton market. Remember to subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for expert analysis that helps you stay ahead.